Hello guys, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to fix WhatsApp not receiving SMS verification code. Alright guys, so let's get into this. Please check out the link in the description for bonuses and resources that we share with our viewers. Alright, and with that out of the way, how can you fix your WhatsApp so you can get verification messages? I'm just going to open up WhatsApp. As you can see here, there's a verification code that is pending, which I have not received on my account. But if you minimize and open up your messaging app, there is no verification code message from WhatsApp. As you can see, I've received the code from WhatsApp, but in your case, the code might not pop in. That could be a result of your mobile number. So go ahead and click on the three-dotted icon on your device. This is a Samsung device, so it might not work this way for iPhones, but just heading to the settings. Now, once on the settings menu for your messages, simply check your notifications for your SIM cards and make sure they are turned on. Make sure the notifications for your eSIMs are also turned on, and then go through the blocked messages list in case you might have blocked WhatsApp or their authentication numbers. You can also check if you blocked their mobile numbers as well. All right, so another setting you could simply fix is if you head over to your control panel where we have the flight mode, you could simply turn this on or turn it off to simply reset your SIM cards. You could also turn on and turn off your mobile data as well. All right, another option is with the latest version of WhatsApp, they usually send verification codes to Gmail. So you can also open up your Gmail account and simply search through for your WhatsApp verification code. You could use the three-dotted icon at the top left, which is the hamburger icon. Click on this and scroll through till you find spam and trash. So check through your spams for messages from WhatsApp, or you could check your trash for messages from WhatsApp in case they may have been deleted by mistake. You could also check through promotions and social and updates as well, depending on how your WhatsApp is categorized. All right, guys, another option would be to simply update the WhatsApp mobile app. So make sure you're currently on the latest version of WhatsApp for this to work out. Head over to the Google Play Store or the Apple Play Store and update your WhatsApp application. Besides that, you could simply eject and insert your SIM card again so that your provider would, send through the verification code. So guys, that's how you can easily go about this. Comment down below if you have a question, and don't forget to check out the link in the description for bonuses and resources we share with our viewers. Do leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.